What if I told you the biggest mistake seniors make after 75 is relying only on eggs for muscle strength? Because after a certain age, your body changes dramatically. You can eat protein every day and still lose muscle. Still feel weak getting out of chairs. Still struggle climbing stairs. Still notice shrinking legs, poor balance, and fatigue. And here's the shocking part. Researchers now know that after age 75, the body becomes resistant to protein stimulation. This is called anabolic resistance. That means your muscles stop responding to protein the way they did when you were younger. So even healthy foods like eggs may no longer be enough by themselves. But today, I'm going to show you 3 simple fruits that may completely change the way your muscles respond to protein. These fruits don't just feed muscle. They help switch muscle-building pathways back on. They help reduce inflammation that blocks muscle repair. And they help seniors maintain strength, independence, walking speed, and balance. Best of all, they're affordable, easy to eat, and can be added to oatmeal, smoothies, yogurt, or eaten as snacks. And make sure you stay until the end, because fruit number 3 contains a surprising combination of amino acids, potassium, and antioxidants that many experts now believe is one of the most overlooked muscle support foods for seniors. Before we go further, comment below your age and where you're watching from. I read every comment, and it helps others see they're not alone on this journey. Let's begin. Fruit number 1, dried apricots. Most people think dried apricots are just for digestion. But after age 75, they may become a powerful muscle support food. Here's why. Muscle loss in older adults is strongly connected to chronic low-grade inflammation. This inflammation quietly damages muscle tissue and reduces the body's ability to use protein effectively. Dried apricots contain powerful antioxidants called carotenoids and polyphenols that help calm this inflammatory stress. They're also rich in potassium, and potassium becomes critically important as we age because low potassium levels are associated with muscle weakness, cramping, fatigue, and poor physical performance. When combined with protein sources like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, whey protein, or even eggs, they may help the body respond better to that protein. One easy option? Add 3 to 4 dried apricots to morning oatmeal with walnuts and protein-rich yogurt. Fruit number 2, dried mulberries. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated muscle support foods in the world. Dried mulberries. Very few seniors know about them, but they contain something incredibly important for aging muscles. Iron, vitamin C, resveratrol-like antioxidants, and small amounts of plant-based protein that work synergistically with other protein foods. As we age, circulation often declines. Less oxygen reaches muscle tissue. Recovery slows down. Walking becomes harder. Balance weakens. Dried mulberries may help support better circulation and reduce oxidative stress inside aging muscle cells. And there's another reason experts are becoming interested in them. They may help stabilize blood sugar. Why does that matter? Because frequent blood sugar spikes can increase inflammation and accelerate muscle breakdown in older adults. One simple idea: blend dried mulberries into a smoothie with milk, protein powder, oats, and cinnamon. Fruit number 3, jackfruit. Now for the fruit that surprises almost everyone. Jackfruit. Most people never associate jackfruit with muscle health. But they should. Because jackfruit contains a unique combination of nutrients that support muscle function in aging adults. It contains potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, antioxidants, and important amino acids that help support muscle metabolism. But one of the biggest benefits may be energy production. Many seniors after 75 don't stop moving because they're lazy. Jackfruit provides natural carbohydrates that help fuel physical activity without the crash of processed sugar. Now listen carefully, jackfruit alone will not build muscle. No fruit will. But when paired with resistance exercise and quality protein, it may help improve the body's ability to preserve muscle tissue and recover more efficiently. A great option is adding jackfruit to a protein smoothie or eating it alongside a high-protein breakfast. These fruits are not magic cures, and they do not replace medical treatment or physical therapy. but they may help support healthier muscle aging when combined with daily movement, resistance exercises, adequate protein, good sleep, hydration, and anti-inflammatory nutrition. Always speak with your healthcare provider if you have kidney disease, diabetes, or dietary restrictions. And now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these fruits have you tried before? And which one are you going to add to your routine first? Leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next senior health video.